Hi everyone, and welcome back to Next Diecast. For today's video, I'll be unboxing this 1/18 scale Smart City Coupe made by Maisto. I got this model off of eBay for around $27 plus shipping. Ended up being around, I think, $35 in total, and I was really excited to get this particular model because it comes with a really cool extra feature with it. So as you can see here, I'm getting open the packaging box that it came in. And it was kind of hard because there was a lot of tape on here, but I was able to eventually get it. And you can already see part of the Maisto box in there. This is an older special edition model made, I think, in 1998 or thereabouts, and I opted for the mint green and black version of this particular model, as you'll see next. So a really cool feature about this model is that it comes with a set of additional panels. So what you can do is you can actually change out the mint green panels you see on the car with the secondary color that it comes with, which is those black panels. Here's the basic box design that these older smart car models came with. It has usually Maisto stuff underneath, like the diagram of the model and whatnot. Maisto made this model for, I think, until maybe the early 2010s, and that was a facelifted version with different headlights. But this is pretty much the same as that model that I just mentioned. But yeah, I was really excited to get this. I didn't know that it actually came in that mint green, so I was excited to find that for a decent price. So next I'm going to take it out of the box here. I had to cut the tape on the end flap here to get that started. But once I did that, I opened up the flap, and it revealed the instruction manual for how to remove and replace the panels on the model, which I thought was a cool feature because I wouldn't have otherwise known how to do it. So I took that out next, and then I was able to actually pull the models out with the cardboard that they came on. It took a bit of effort because cardboard on cardboard don't really mix well when you're trying to slide it out of the box. All right, I finally got it out after some struggle. You can see that they're kind of wrapped in like a blister sort of pack, almost like they're little like Hot Wheels cars or something. So, and they were a pain to get out of these blisters. I had to actually use a knife and cut around them to get the blisters to pop off and for me to be able to remove the car. As you can see, I'm trying to look at this thing right now, like, what am I supposed to do here? But I eventually was able to figure it out. And those did nothing, these little gray screw things. But there we have it out of the box. And all the features that are opening on it, which includes the doors and the lift gate and what have you. And there's the extra set of black panels there. And there's that blister thing that gave me a real struggle. Looking forward to doing a review on this. Thanks for watching.